Well, hello everyone. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fabulous because we are on day 9 of our Vlogmas, I think. I just lost count. I don't know. Yes, we're on day 9 of Vlogmas. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm having such a good time, but you know, we've got to open our adorable advent calendar before we get started. So let's go ahead and see here. Day 9 is obviously right here. Oh. Goodness. Oh. All right. What? Another pink bag? Oh, what am I gonna do? She's so cute. Look, you guys, it's Rapunzel. All right, please focus. Come on. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. There we go. Look at her. She's so cute. All right, let's just turn her around real quick. Let down your hair. All right, let's set her right there. All right, today I picked out a box. You guys, look at this logo. It says the Disney Shoppers on it. Now, remember I got a present a while back and it was the Pirates of the Caribbean ornament that looks like an ear hat. I've been wanting that for so long, and all of a sudden it shows up from the Disney Shoppers with a lovely note from Christine that says, I can't wait to see your review of this. So I don't know if I've ordered, this is a second one from them. I know I have not ordered. No, I shouldn't say that. So I'm gonna have to reach out and see who they are and just thank them. Okay. So, this is what I see inside. It's kind of hefty. It's kind of a mug. All right, let's get my, oops, my handy dandy knife. So earlier this week I was at work and somebody asked me how to spell the word gnome. So I said G-N-O-M-E and they're like, what? No. And I said, yeah. Well, they didn't believe me. They had to go get some verification. So, knife, gnome. Sorry, there was like a point to that. There is a lot of lovely bubble wrap on here, so I have no idea what this... What? Wow, wait. Okay. Why? How is it sealed? Okay. How? Okay, so this thing is sealed up. Oh, maybe it's just taped. No, it's sealed up, but it's got their logo inside. I don't have a placement. Oh my gosh, this is like plastic from heck. What? Okay, wait a minute. Did I request this? Christine, thank you, from the Disney Shoppers. Yeah, thank you so much. Let's go ahead and do this again. Gotta give them credit. Sorry, you know what? Let me just cut off this big old tail looking thing. All right, so we've got right there, that's their logo. Let's try to do it like that. The DisneyShoppers.com. And then you guys look, it is a Tower of Terror coffee mug. It's like super tall too. I wonder if this is one of those color changing. Look, there's like a big old eyeball right there. This is so cute. E equals MC squared. The Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. Love this ride. Well, I'm gonna say, Christine, thank you again from the DisneyShoppers.com. You're amazing. There's no note in here, so I'm just gonna go off that last note. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love the mugs, and I especially love this one because it's got one of my favorite rides. How about I say my favorite ride in Hollywood Studios back in Orlando? I don't go back there, but look. I want to go back there. Anyway, thank you so much for this mug. I don't think I'm going to use it as a mug. I think I'm going to use it as a pen holder because Laura knows I have lots of pens. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me on day 9, right? Day 9 of our Vlogmas. Thank you. I see I'm losing track, you guys. I need to have a calendar right in front of me. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out, and thank you so much for the prezzies. You guys are amazing. Remember, whatever you do, do it safely so you can come back to me. Let's see. Have the courage to be kind and just love one another. You guys, go down there, leave a comment, throw some thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. All right, take care of yourselves. Ta-ta for now. Smooches!